Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start retirement planning with Vanguard detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by identifying your retirement goals. Determine how much money you want to have when you retire. Consider factors such as your desired lifestyle, travel plans, and healthcare costs. Next, assess your current financial situation. Take stock of your savings, investments, and any debts you may have. Calculate your net worth to understand where you stand financially. Research Vanguard and its retirement planning options. Visit the Vanguard website to explore their services. Make sure to look into their retirement accounts, such as IRAs and 401(k)s. Create an account on the Vanguard platform. Provide your basic information, such as name, email address, and social security number. Choose the type of retirement account that suits your goals. For tax-deferred growth, consider a traditional IRA or a 401(k). If you prefer tax-free withdrawals in retirement, explore a Roth IRA. After selecting an account, fund it appropriately. Decide how much you can contribute regularly. Consider setting up automatic contributions for consistency. Once funded, start selecting your investments. Vanguard offers a range of options including mutual funds and ETFs. Review target date funds for a hands-off approach tailored to your retirement year. Diversify your investment choices to manage risk effectively. Monitor your investment performance regularly. Set specific times each year to reassess your portfolio. Consider rebalancing your investments to maintain your desired asset allocation. Keep an eye on market trends and economic indicators that may affect your plan. Staying informed will help you make appropriate adjustments over time. Utilize Vanguard's retirement planning tools and resources. Access calculators that can help you project your retirement savings needs. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.